In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch sports on smart TV from anywhere. So this should be a quick and easy process video. So you can do this with pure VPN. You get reliable high-speed access to watch sports on smart TV, overcoming regional restrictions and giving you complete freedom to follow your favorite teams and events. So here is a guide on setting up pure VPN. Just subscribe to pure VPN app. Install PureVPN on your smart TV, open the app and connect to a server in the country where your sports stream are available. Launch any sports streaming service available on your smart TV, such as Fubo TV, ESPN, or Hulu Plus Live TV. So you are all set to enjoy uninterrupted live sports on smart TV from anywhere in the world. So this was an easy and quick process video. And as always, thank you for watching.